This video will go over how to print multiple color labels using one thermal transfer printer and different color ribbons. For instance, using a black and then a red or orange ribbon. You could create a label and create the full label, the entire thing will be printed in both colors. And what we're going to do is we're going to print a bunch of labels up using one color and then rewind the labels back up the roll, switch the color ribbon, and then rerun the labels back through. There will be a good amount of waste on the startup as it gets centered, probably like 5 or 6 labels depending on the printer. But what we're going to do is we're going to go through how to set that all up and then run. You can see I created a label here, and what I'm going to do is for instance, I'm going to just run, this would be like a standard, let's say 4x6 label. You can't do this with the continuous materials because we can't run multiple colors because there's no reference or no gaps or sensor marks. So if this is a standard like a 4x6 label, die cut label, we're first going to run the red or the warning. So what we're going to do is we need to turn off the other boxes so that they do not print red. We're going to print everything down here below in black. So first we're going to run the red, which is the warning and the graphic. But we're going to turn off all these boxes. So you can select this box, you right click, go to properties, and you're going to select do not print and hit OK. And you're going to keep doing this for each of the boxes. Select do not print for every one of them. And now we turn off all of them, the boxes below, and we'll run the printer and print a, go ahead and hit run. You can print a whole bunch of labels off and then rewind them up, change the ribbons, and now we're going to actually run the black. So we're going to go through and take off the do not print. And now we're going to do not print the warning and the graphic. And now we're going to reprint. Send that command to the printer, and it should take about maybe 3 or 4 labels for it. You won't see any black print. All of a sudden you'll see it catch up. You can print. The text will be exactly in the same position as you see in the label here. If you have any questions, contact Hellerman Titan Support. Thanks.